I probably did 6 or 7 land deals before I got an LLC
Because
because
it's all going to go to my personal accounts. So does that matter to mix it?
it depends. I like to keep revenue in the first position. I mean, it's just, I don't want you going out and paying for LLCs and CPAs and attorneys. I want you to get revenue in the first position. If that's something you're concerned about, yeah, I would probably get an LLC. I think my dad's done like 55 land deals, all in his personal name. It just starts becoming like an asset protection. Like you got boats and houses and things paid for, you probably want to start separating things. I mean, an LLC passes through to your personal name anyways. The reason for an LLC is like this business right here is a cup. This business right here is a phone. LLC, 2 different LLCs, cup LLC, phone LLC. I never want to transfer money between the 2 because now I've connected them both. I've commingled money and someone can come after both of these LLCs now. That's all an LLC is for, is to, separate your personal from your business. So if you got the funds for that, definitely set up an LLC. But if you don't, make a few land transactions, get some money to be able to pay for that. Keep it in first position.
So it doesn't mind if you kind of it doesn't matter so much if you commingle it first and then do the LLC.
I mean, in the beginning, because I didn't have the time, the bandwidth, or the money to. Sorry, there's like white stuff floating everywhere. Gnats bothering me, so that's why I keep doing all this.
No worries.
But in the beginning, I didn't have the money, the time, or the resources to set up an LLC. I got like 5 land transactions, and I was like, oh man, I need to start figuring out how to set this up like a real business type thing. So my recommendation is get some money in your pocket first.
Okay, sounds good. Thank you.